Oh, I got about dust over the lens. There we go. Okay, what's going on, boys? I'm here in the garage. Today's the day that I'm gonna tear off the control arm mounts, and then for the swing arm, the sway bar mounts and link mounts. I gotta cut those off as well. Prep the frame up, and then I gotta go ahead and sorry about the film in there. Gotta go ahead, pop these over top, and my buddy tomorrow is gonna come and weld them up. But yeah, man. So today's the day. Right now, I'm just working on getting this first control arm off. It doesn't need to look pretty, just need to get it off. And then gonna grind it all down, make it look good. You can see here a nice good crack right here, right through there. So, and then a while back last year, my dad put in this for me because I'm not a great welder. But yeah, so we got these inserts now. Let's get rid of all that, and then the TJ will be back on. So, but we'll go ahead and go to town on this thing and really get this frame prepped up and nice for Lennon. Shout out to Lennon for coming out here tomorrow, bringing his nice welder. So weld it up, get it done, make it look mint again for me. So, all right, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, boys, we're back. It's goddamn a long time later. I ended up going ahead and removing the rear axle. Just give me that extra bit of room I need to be able to move around down here, you know. Just because I had to get rid of the lower control arm bracket, and then in the back here I have to get rid of the upper. So just to give me the room I needed, this is a patch my dad did last year, so we need to get rid of all that. So I needed to get the grinder all down in here, so it was just easier to rip the axle out real quick. Simple enough to do. But yeah, so now we got that pretty much done. And then I think it's just the other side. There's a hammer over there. Pardon? Can you go on the other side? There's a hammer right by the fire extinguisher. Still needs lots of cutting. You know what? I got all distracted by doing this. Oh, I totally forgot about the gas lines back here. Right on.
Did you cut any?
No, not far from them, but I just forgot I have to deal with that at some point.
Oh, it's good, Izzy. How'd that go?
I think I don't know, we're about to find out. There we go. I'm just seeing where I got it.
My creeper, man.
Pardon?
What the hell happened to my creeper?
What do you mean?
The whole fucking thing is burnt.
I don't know. I can buy you a new creeper if it's ruined. But I don't know. I'm just gonna cut it.
Just keep ripping on it, man. You won't be tired at all. Just keep going. Do you need another blade?
Yeah. Do you have a tool?
A what?
I don't have the grinder tool out here. Could you?
Right above your head, so I don't know what. It should be anyway.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Let's see that again. Boys, we failed. We tried to make a video. But, So yeah, we got brutal amounts of holes back here. You can see right through. It's kind of bad. This is a patch from last year, like the other side. But we're dealing with the good old cast lines here. So that's fantastic. Nothing like a little explosion.
Oh well.
Oh well, that's right. Beautiful. How was this sitting here before?
There you go, boom.
Boom. Just like that. Easy enough. Hey Doyle,
Hey, Dylan.
you wanna pass me that light that's on the charger?
Yep.
You know what? What's Murray doing?
Contemplating if he has COVID-19.
He's driving around right now.
No way. I got that on camera too.
If you cut them, it's not a big deal.
That's
There's just, I don't know, will gas light up off of a grinder? Tell me that.
enough sparks. For sure.
Hey, Cole, you answer us this question.
Hey, cool. Okay.
Were you already grinding on this?
If we cut through said gas line with said grinder, will it go boom?
You think that thing will go boom boom?
I don't know, like how...
We got it. Just
Yeah.
do it. Yeah, put the grinder on it.
Yeah, man, I think that'll be fine.
Putting the frame on, buddy. Getting it all welded up. Our bro Leno coming in clutch. Laying us some fat bees down. That frame did not look good before, bud. That frame did not look good before. No spark, eh?